So wow, this is a wearable blanket from Bedsure, and it sure does have a Mrs. Claus vibe to it, doesn't it? But it is so comfortable. I kind of wasn't going for the Mrs. Claus vibe, but I just like the darker maroon color. It looks good. This one, it goes all the way to my feet. I'm 5 feet tall. It's an oversized adult one, so it is a wearable blanket. It's got the tie around it. I'd like to thank Bedsure for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. We literally have one in every room, and the whole family is like, where's the blanket? Where's the wearable blanket? It's got sleeves that come in, and so they're like tight, but the inside, everything is this fuzzy, fleecy stuff on the inside. The whole thing, everywhere. Oh my goodness. And you got a big pocket right here, so you can carry stuff in there, and you've got the tie if you want. I prefer not to tie it. I just like to let it all hang and carry my stuff around. But every morning I'm in these. They're awesome. So again, thank you so much, Bedsure.